Have a good day, guys. Over you all. Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Today I'm going to show you an awesome robot for Boom and Crush. Going to use my real Scientific Index account. Check the date. Today is 16 August. And now let's get started. Move on MT5. So let's get started and move MT5. Look here, MT5 is open in front of you. You guys can look here. We will trade using this robot on Boom and Crush index. You can choose any Boom and Crush index with this robot. As you guys can look here, this is HFT fast trading robot, and this is the dashboard of this robot, and also this is the name of this robot is HFT fast trading. Okay guys, and this robot is for Boom and Crush. You can use for spike trading also, and you can use this for scalping also. So you can make money using this robot. And now look here, the robot is started and is making trades by itself automatically. You can operate this robot manually. You can choose H1 time frame and set on VPS. All up to you. If you want 10-second scalping, this robot will do. If you want long-term trading, you can switch on H1 time frame. This robot will trade for you. Look here, continuously is automatically opening and closing trades. Okay guys, this one I made. Look here, I started balance, and now make sure you guys watch this video till end. If you have any question, you can paste comment and also check the description for contact details. Okay guys,